Hello and what's up guys, today we have the product which we will be unboxing in this video. This is Porsche Drift King and I will explain how it's working, what's how and everything will be explained in this video. Okay, let's unboxing this box. This is our product. Okay, let's remove. Ta-da! This is the Porsche Drift King. It is very amazing, I think. You can see in the video, I think. Okay, let's explain what's happening in this model, what's have inside. This model have additional, I don't know if you see, this is the additional spoiler. You can remove this and put new one. Okay, looking everything fine, but we need to turn on what's happening after turn on. This is very interesting. Okay, now I will use power bank. You can use it's have type C, okay, and use with power in your home. But for now, I will use this cable. Okay, what's happening here? We have the time. This is now incorrect time, of course, but we need to change. We have in the rear side, we have the buttons. Let's check. And from here, you can just set this time, also alarm and everything. And one is important button, it is the demo button. When I click, it will be now flashing the lights and will be hear the sound of this car. Let's see. Our most model have this option. What I mean, it's have opening the door, hood, trunk and doors, and some models of course working roofs, roof shutter, and it's also working. Some models of course which have this don't have. And yeah, and this car, it is not plastic. This is not how to say 3D printed car. This is the metal car, and this reason it look more real. I don't know, I think it's very amazing car. Yeah, this is the our video. If you want to order this car, in this video you can see link, and you can click and you will go to direct this product page and you can order. This is one. Second thing I want to, this is not only one car what we have the many cars, and you can check our website carunclock.store. And yeah, if you like video, please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see in next video. Bye.